Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to upscale your image in Bluewillow. The process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and please do not skip the video. Let's get started without wasting any time. Now this is my Bluewillow interface. I'm going to put the link in the description box. You can access it for free from there. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you can see there are these rookies. I'm going to select any one rookie. Now you can see that it brings me to this page. Here I'm going to type / and then I have to click this imagine, and then I'm going to write a prompt. For example, I'm going to write mouse and then I'm going to click enter. Now after my picture is generated, I'll tell you how to upscale it. At this step you have to wait for a moment and be patient because it might take 30 seconds or more. I'll be back once it's done. Here you can see that my image is generated. Now to upscale, I have to choose any one of these 4 pictures. For example, if I want to upscale this second picture, I'm going to select this U2 option. Here you can see I am going to click this option and wait for a while, and Bluewillow will just upscale this image for me and generate it. And you just have to wait for a little while and be patient at this step too. So now you can see that my upscaled image is produced, and this is an easy process that you can follow to upscale your images. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.